Welcome to our guide on fixing your TV remote that just won't turn on your TV. Let's tackle this common issue together. First things first, let's check the batteries. Ensure you safely remove the old batteries and replace them with new ones. Next, inspect for any physical obstructions. Make sure there's a clear line of sight between your remote and the TV. Power cycling your TV can help refresh the connection. Just unplug it, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. You can check if your remote is working by using your smartphone camera to see if it emits a signal when you press any button. Ensure your remote is compatible with your TV model. You can check this in the user manual or online. Sometimes, buttons can get stuck. Carefully inspect them and try to fix any that may be jammed. If the remote still isn't working, use the manual buttons on your TV or consider a universal remote. Your user manual can provide troubleshooting tips specific to your model. Don't hesitate to consult it. If you've tried everything and your remote still won't work, it might be time to seek professional help. Thanks for watching.